So we're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your heart.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be unboxing the Jeffree straw mystery box in Deluxe. So that is like the second tier. It was $75, and with shipping and tax and all of that, I believe it was like $89 and like 80 something cents. So you can call it like $90 if you want, but yeah. So right now I'm like struggling to open the box. I tried to speed this up, but it was just not working. It kept like deleting parts of the video. But anyway, so this is how it is when I first open it. I'm actually opening this on live with you, but I have watched a video, so I kind of have an idea what's gonna be in the box. So I got the Can't Relate t-shirt. I'm so happy. Been wanting some merch, so I wanted to get a 2XL, but 2XL got sold out, so I got an extra large. You can tell it fits. I wear extra large. I just wanted something bigger. Yeah, kind of unhook my hair a little bit, so now I gotta put a bob pin to scare. So the first thing is the liquid frost. I really don't know how to use this. You're gonna see me try to use it. It's in the shade Chill Zone. I don't remember what launch this was from, but I feel like this might have been like a recent launch, but I don't remember. If I'm wrong, it's sorry. So watch me struggle now, trying to open this box, trying to figure it out. So it is like a, how would I describe this color? It's like a reddish bronzish color. It's beautiful, but I like the packaging. I am glad I watched a video early, because that's how I know how to use this. So apparently you press the little knob at the top and there you go. Put some in my hand. You don't really need a lot, so I'm thinking, you can probably mix this in with your foundation and to get like a glowy look, or you can just add it to your, if you don't want to wear foundation or anything, just like put it on your face and like go somewhere in the dark or go to a club or something, and it's pretty. So I was trying to, at first I thought it was a liquid highlighter, and then I kind of realized as soon as I started rubbing it into my skin that this is not a liquid highlighter. So, and I tried to kind of use it like an eyeshadow, but as you can see, it's like, I'm like, this is not working out. So let me just put the rest of it on and just like rub it all over my face. It's like, it's pretty, it's cute, it's glowy. I probably just add it to foundation whenever I'm doing my makeup. So the next time I do my makeup, I will give it a try, because I love glitter. Oh my gosh, the skin frost. I've seen these and this is so beautiful. I'm so excited for it. As you can see, like the size of it. The powders are like falling out. I'm pretty sure when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, it's gonna be damaged. Please don't be damaged. And it's damaged. But don't worry, guys. Jeffree's sending me a new one. All I had to do was like send a picture of it. With my box, or like little, they give you that like receipt, but I didn't get a receipt in mine, so I just took a picture of the skin frost on top of the box. But there you go. I'm still, trying to give you a little swatch for it, but I think this is snow cone or snow zone. I was surprised because I was watching other videos and didn't see anyone get this color, so I was a little surprised that I got this. And I was like, oh my gosh, a green lip ammunition. I don't know, but as soon as I started swatching it, I was like, this is pretty. This is pretty. This is something I could work into my routine, because I do love metallics. So I thought it was I thought it was cute. I thought it was cute. Well, I've been wanting one. So for me, this is a really good box so far, because all the stuff I wanted to try. So this is Christmas cookie, and it's this. I believe this is the velour liquid lip. I've been wanting to try it. This famous velour liquid lip. I've never tried it before, and I'm like, I want to see. When I first saw the color, I wasn't sure if it was gonna fit my complexion, but putting it on, it's a nude for me. I might try this with some brown lip liner to see how it looks with that, but I'm pretty sure I can wear this by itself. It literally looks like what my lips looks like, without any lipstick or anything, you know. It's a nude. So now I have the gloss in sequin glass, and you would not believe this, but this is the shade I've been wanting. Also, some, I don't remember the name of it, like the pinky peachy colors I wanted to. But when he first launched these and he was like swatching them, this was the color that I was in love with. So I was so happy that I got this. And as you can tell, I'm struggling with these bags, these boxes, cartons, or whatever you want to call it. Anyway, here it is. Super pretty. So the glitter got in my eye, and I rubbed my, of course I used the hand that I swatched with on my face. So you can see it's a beautiful, it's like kind of like a silver color with a lot of glitter. There's a lot of glitter metallic stuff in this box, and I was like, this is perfect. This is all the stuff I like. I like glitter, shimmers, sparkly. That is me. So as you can see, it's kind of like a silverish color with a lot of sparkles in it. Very, very pretty. So now we have, you already know what this is. If you've watched videos, you know this is the mini breaker. So I already own the mini breaker because I bought it when I bought the Jawbreaker palette. So now I have two mini breakers. I've not swatched it, I've not touched it or anything. So if anyone's ever watching this video and they would like it, just like leave a comment below and I'll send it to you, because I really don't need it because I already have one and I use it and I love it. So, and last but certainly not least, the mirror. So when I was watching videos, I was shocked. I was shook, shocked, everything. I was like, I can't believe he put a mirror in the mystery box. And I was like, he's just launching it specifically for Halloween. Like, I couldn't believe it. So, I got the orange one. If you didn't know, green is my favorite color, and then orange, and then pink. So when I saw I got this orange one, I was super happy. So that's it. Thank you for watching.